Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. Today let's discuss about the screen protector for Samsung Galaxy Note 9. As you can see, presently I have three screen protectors. All of them are glass screen protector. The benefit of glass screen protector is, it's very crystal clear. The screen will be very crystal clear. So, firstly, I was using this screen protector and it was only 1.99 pounds from eBay. I bought this one. The thing is, as you can see, all of them having the same specification like real glass, absolute clarity, precise touch, ultra slim, oilophobic coating, anti-scratch, anti-shatter. See, as you can see, all of them are saying the same things. But this one is 1.99 and this one I bought for 2.85 pounds and this one is a branded one, that's why it's cost 14.95, but I paid 7 pounds. However, this one I used this one first, but I wasn't satisfied with this one because it has only the glue on the sides, only on the sides, and the up this side was open. So I wasn't happy about this. I prefer to buy a full screen protector to cover all the area to protect the glass. So I searched and I found this one is good. So I bought it, but apparently this wasn't good. As you can see, presently I'm using this one, and as you can see, it has only the glue or only on the edges, and again it is not sticking properly at the edges. Only some spots are sticking. As you can see, it's only sticking only a little bit area, and the other areas there is gap, and the hair particles, hairs or fibers can go inside, and you can see a lot of dust inside. So I wasn't happy with this one. So I searched and I found that the best screen protector is full glue application screen protector. There is two kinds. One with a UV application. In that case, it's a little bit complicated. You need a UV light applicator to use the glue. The other one is without UV. If you search, you can buy this thing from 3.9 pounds to 6 pounds. You can buy screen protectors, full glue screen protector. There is no need of UV light. So apparently this one is had a fall and this is scratched, so I'm going to change this to this one. This is 2.85. This one, the price is 2.85 5. So let's see how it will work. So let's apply the new screen protector, full glass. It says smudge proof, eye protection, explosion proof, super hardness 9H, 9H, 9H hardness, HD screen, explosion proof, smudge proof, yeah, all this stuff. So it has two wipes and the screen protector itself. So use the wet wipe first. So clean it properly. And use your dry wipe. So as you can see, it has only the glue only on the sides, so it is not fully glued screen protector. Then stick. Give a little bit pressure on the sides. As it is not fully glued, you can just give pressure only on the edges. The problem with this kind of screen protector, if it has any gap, like if it is not sticking properly, there might be small gap and hair particles or dust particles can go inside. So that's it. It's look pretty good, however it is not covering the whole area. As you can see, there is a small gap on the sides and on here on the sides, but it says it is beneficial for using the cover. You can see, just to simply put it. So that's it. So you can see this screen protector is better than the branded one. The price of this screen protector was 2.85, but the branded one was 14.99, 15 pounds nearly. Even though the quality and the make and the attachment to the phone and everything in comparison with the branded one, it is better.